Hello, it's Hero from Leathercraft School. Today we are on to day 12 of beginner course. By the previous video, we've been covering basic techniques like cutting and edge beveling. Next up, we will be getting into edge finishing. But before that, I want to discuss about the types of leather, specifically vegetable tan leather and its characteristic. Understanding this will help you get better results when edge finishing. So what is vegetable tan leather? It refers to leather finishing process called vegetable tanning. Beginners might wonder about two terms here, vegetable tanning and tanning. Let's go over this one by one. It's easier to understand if we first define tanning and then explain vegetable tanning. To put it simply, tanning is the process of turning rawhide into leather. Rawhide will rot quickly if unfinished, so purpose of tanning is prevent that and make durable material. Now I think you understand what the tanning is, so let's talk about what the vegetable tannins are. Vegetable tanning is a compound extracted from certain plants and used in the vegetable tanning method to convert from rawhide into leather. There are different tanning methods, each giving unique leather qualities. The two main types are vegetable tanning and chrome tanning. Both aim to prevent rotting leather, but they have very different characteristics. For leather work, vegetable tan leather is usually preferred because it was suited for crafting durable, high-quality product without needing special machines or materials. Vegetable tan leather is firm and holds its shape, so it can create sturdy items without any extra reinforcement. The edges are also shiny, allowing for a polished finish with a simple hand tools. Another important characteristic is the vegetable tan leather ages beautifully over time. For example, natural color leather will turn a beautiful dark brown over time. These advantages are why I often recommend the vegetable tan leather for beginners. Finally, let's see what our item made from vegetable tan leather will look like. This water was made without any reinforcement, even though it is sturdy, and I think you can see the beautiful edges. With this understanding of vegetable tan leather, you will be prepared for next lesson on edge finishing. That's all for today. If you enjoyed today's video, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching until the end. See you in the next video. Bye.